Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in the loving family kitchen we're cooking some chicken pakoras. Right, so first and foremost you want to start off with about 500 grams of chopped up chicken breast, finely diced, and we go straight in with the spices. Some salt to taste, some chili powder, turmeric, coriander and cumin. Give that a good old mix, get everything homogenized and coated. Once you've done that, it's time to go in with some seasoned flour. So in this seasoned flour, we've got some garlic powder, some onion powder, some cayenne pepper, and a little touch of MSG. And just a bit of water just to bind it all together. You want to set that aside to marinate for maybe 20-25 minutes. Now push that aside and get some oil on the go just to fry up some accompaniment. So we've got some fries here. Pull them out once they're nice and golden brown. It's always good to coat your chips as soon as they come out of the oil with a bit of salt. And we go straight back in with the chicken. Really important to check your oil, if you don't have a thermometer, to see if it's hot enough. And the way that we do this is by using a wooden spatula, and just dip the end of it in, and if it starts to sizzle, then you know you're good to go in with your chicken. Now eventually it'll brown and it'll start to slowly rise to the surface. That's when you want to pull out your chicken, and you can see it's nice and golden brown, nice and crispy too. Just drain off the oil, set that aside, and we're ready to plate. Now enjoy guys. Salaam.